Tarot with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of March 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading, and I'm also using some oracle decks that we have here. These are the decks that I'm going to use. Other than that, I'm also being called upon to use playing cards for some messages from the universe. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March, we have the Five of Wands. Quite likely you were the center of attention in this period. Possibly you were also someone who was adapting to the situation or the changing scenario before you. You were also somebody who was working on the ideas that had popped up in your head. Interestingly, your loved ones may have felt that you are somebody who dilly-dallies, though you do oblige them, but then you create a lot of fuss. That is why they may wonder, why do you create such situations in the first place? Nonetheless, you had made quick progress in this period. The challenges that this month is throwing for you is the Queen of Wands. Again, you are being the cynosure of all eyes. Again, you are coming across as someone who is quite beautiful and seductive. Interestingly, in personal relationships, you are somebody who will give the silent treatment to people who get on to your nerves, or sometimes you may also give them a piece of your mind. By the way, Aries, you should also be careful because there could be those times when you could be betrayed. You may find yourself on sticky wicket, but then you will definitely benefit on account of divine intervention. So seek divine intervention this month. Call upon your angels or your archangels and they will guide you suitably. This month you will also tap into your contacts or your goodwill that you have earned in the past will also help you come out of situations. There will be roadblocks and interruptions that you have to deal with. Influences for the month, we have the Eight of Wands. Communication is going to increase this month. Some of you may also be traveling or making those travel plans. The social life will also be on the upswing. While working, I think you should live within the boundaries. Maybe you could be accused of being unethical. Perhaps you have a deceptive approach. Maybe you want to make quick bucks. That is why you're trying to find a way around those boundaries that are there. But you should be careful because somebody could corner you. Nonetheless, job opportunities are quite likely in this month. Maybe on account of your social circle, which is going to widen, you can come across new clients. Also, Aries, in this month, I think you shouldn't ignore your elders, possibly a paternal figure, maybe even your dad. You'll also be kindly disposed towards other people. The first 10 days of March, we have the Page of Swords. Certainly, you're cutting through the obstacles. You're very firm with respect to your career goals or your desires or your ambitions. And this could mean that your family members may not be pleased with your attitude. Perhaps they think that money is not there, or they don't have deep pockets to fulfill your demands or your desires. Maybe you also want to travel out of town on account of work. There could also be disagreements on account of equipment that is there which you are sharing with another person. Maybe it could lead to quarrels as well. Ideally, Aries, you have to take matters headlong and you have to be pushy when it comes to promoting your talents. Your schedules could also be disrupted in this period, so you need to have a very flexible approach or a flexible mindset. For many of you, this is also the time to focus on bookkeeping or accountancy work. Also, I think while dealing with clients, you should make allowances rather than let go of the opportunity. Between 11th to 20th March, we have the card Three of Swords. Fate is a huge factor in these days. I think you're also somebody who could have some kind of separation. Maybe you're desiring something, but then you may not get what you desire. So sometimes it is for our greatest good, though it is hard to digest. Other gains are quite likely. I'm also picking up that you will use your brains or your intellect to good effect because this is a Swords energy. This is coming into play. We did have the Page of Swords earlier in this reading. Now we have the Three of Swords. It is going to be a very hectic period for you, no doubt. Again, you need to be transparent with respect to financial dealings. Maybe you could be accused of being unethical or insincere as well. Those of you who are working, I think you may find the work environment quite stifling. Maybe your rival is hell-bent on making things difficult for you. Nonetheless, opportunities will arise to make gains. Some Aries may also be considering the possibility of quitting the job. I think you should keep the faith and you should carry on, because this is also a learning curve. In personal relationships as well, I think you should be mindful of the views of other people. Maybe you are going to come across as someone who uses his tongue like a whiplash. 21st to 31st March, we have the Page of Cups. This is a time when you may be in a reflective mode. Maybe colleagues or people around you could accuse you of narcissistic behavior. Ideally, I think you will retreat from circumstances. Maybe you're focusing on self-care as well. Interestingly, in this month, Aries, you should also guard against ill health. Or there could be times when you have to be the caregiver. Also, avoid unnecessary arguments. There could be disagreements with family members or with your colleagues as well. Incidentally, in the month of March, you may find that estranged people could want to reconnect with you, and this could hamper the family peace. Maybe you don't want anything to do with that person, even though that person is apologetic. On the work front, you have to brace yourself for unnecessary change of plans. Maybe you're dealing with a whimsical boss. Sometimes, you may be reluctant, but then you're forced to give in to the person's demands. There could be other distractions as well. Maybe guests could also arrive, and this means that you have to put away the tasks that you're doing and focus on them. Maybe you have to be the ideal host. Also, Aries, this month, I think you should keep a backup of your plans. Maybe somebody could threaten to sabotage your work or your ideas, and this could leave you hassled, or it could leave you near tears. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think compliments will come your way for being large-hearted. You're very generous when dealing with colleagues or juniors. I think you will also ask the administrator to stick to the schedule or stick to the agenda as has been decided by you. With respect to your love life, I have the card, something is still missing for me, and I'm trying to figure out what that is. I think it's a missing piece of a puzzle. Maybe you want closure in your relationships as well, or maybe you want to understand whether there's any future in a relationship. Single Aries, like I said, that you could be the center of attention. Even unwanted attention is coming your way. Maybe your suitors are trying very hard to impress you. They may think that you are quite egoistical as well. There could also be a marriage proposal from a far off place, but then it may not work out, or it may be its early days. Your admirers will definitely drop hints that they are interested in you. Some of you may also be dealing with an ex-flame who could try to reach out to you, but then you have moved on from that situation. Maybe something is still missing in his life. That is why he is trying to reconnect with you. In case you are in an unacknowledged relationship, you may reach out to the person, but this person may ignore you. Ideally, I think Aries, you should not cling to the person even if you are concerned about his well-being. Basically, the ambiguity which surrounds your whole relationship or your whole affair may see you break down. Those of you who are romancing, you may have brief but profound conversations with your beloved. Possibly, you may also discuss issues that are bothering your family because you want this person to give you some suggestions. I think many of you may also want your person to acknowledge you publicly that you are a couple, but maybe he is not ready yet. Those of you who are married, I think there could be those moments when you feel that your spouse is neglecting you. Those of you who are married, I think your person will definitely try to keep the romance alive. Maybe the two of you will go for a journey together or on long drive. You will also play those romantic numbers for each other. Sometimes you could be accused of neglecting your spouse. Ideally, I think appreciate the thoughtfulness or the little gestures that your spouse does. Maybe he will also shower you with gifts, but you should appreciate them rather than carp about the choices that he has made. Those of you who are in an unhappy relationship, some kind of estrangement could be there. Maybe suspicion could also ruin your relationship. Also, I think you should be careful because domestic violence could also be a factor here in case you're in an unhappy relationship. On the other hand, those Aries who are in a secretive relationship or in an extramarital relationship, you should be careful because somebody could bust your secret affair. Maybe you are in a third party situation as well. So this could leave you squirming this month. From playing cards, we have the card King of Spades. Maybe there are legal matters that could take up your time. You'll have discussions with a father figure or with somebody who's elder to you, maybe a paternal figure. Earlier in this reading, I did say that you need to work on your relationship with your father or a father figure. Money could also affect your relationships this month. Maybe you may also feel that responsibility increases or that you're always called upon to be the flag bearer within the home environment or at the workplace. Another card we have here is the Queen of Clubs. This is interesting because we did have the Queen of Wands in this reading earlier. So certainly this card, the Queen of Clubs, corroborates whatever I have said earlier. So you should seek divine intervention. I'm also picking up that maybe there will be those situations when you may feel that things are falling apart or there's help is not there for you. Maybe those whom you are depending on could back out. Well, that is something, Aries, you need to be careful about. Lastly, we have the card Oracle cards. You are able to discern answers and guidance for yourself and others. So certainly, Aries, you are being called upon to seek guidance from Oracle cards, or maybe you could go to a tarot card reader as well. You have the gift to understand or to pick up whatever messages that the universe is sending you through your readings. Maybe you should explore the options that are there before you with respect to divination tools, that is. And this could help you in your life's journey, or it could help you evolve as a person. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading this star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.